The Notebook Unveiled. Diving into Freeman HKD's latest hit, Tagwadama. Freeman HKD, affectionately known as the HKD Boss or the Dancehall Doctor, has consistently proven his staying power in the Zimdancehall scene. With a career spanning over a decade since his breakthrough hit, Join a City, the Bindera-born artist, whose real name is Emigi Sylvester Chizanga, continues to evolve and deliver music that resonates with the Zimbabwean masses and the diaspora. His latest offering, Tagwadama, is a standout track from his highly anticipated 2025 album, The Notebook, and it's quickly becoming a fan favorite. A look at Tagwadama. Tagwadama, a track produced by the acclaimed Oskid and lyrically crafted by Freeman, Emigi Chizanga, and Roy Moyo, is a perfect example of why Freeman HKD remains at the top of his game. The vibe. The song carries a signature Zimdancehall rhythm, but its polished production and smooth delivery give it a contemporary Afro-fusion edge. It's the kind of track that works just as well in a club as it does on a relaxed drive. The meaning. The title, Tagwadama, itself means, we are kneeling, or, we are bowing down, often implying a state of humility, reverence, or being deeply affected. While the song's specific narrative is best appreciated by listening to the lyrics, Freeman's music often touches on themes of life's struggles, perseverance, love, and social commentary, all delivered with the depth and experience of a seasoned artist. The impact. Since its release as part of the Notebook album, Tagwadama has been warmly received, contributing to the album's success and featuring prominently in charts and playlists alongside other hits from the project like Ndikoko and Vira Vira. Crown the enduring legacy of the HKD Boss. Tagwadama is more than just a song, it's a chapter in the career of an artist who has become an institution. Freeman HKD's journey is one of resilience. From footballer to butcher to star. Before music, Freeman was a footballer and later a butcher's assistant, a humble background he often references, which makes his massive success even more inspirational. Pioneer status. He is often cited as a key figure in the rise of Zimdancehall, earning him numerous accolades, including multiple Zimdancehall Awards and National Arts Merit Awards (NAMA). The HKD movement. His influence extends beyond his solo career through HKD Records, Hadamire Kusimbisa Danger Zone. We Don't Stop Pushing the Danger Zone movement, a label he founded to nurture new talent, solidifying his role as a mentor and an industry leader. Memo. What's next for the Doctor? With The Notebook album taking center stage and tracks like Tagwadama gaining momentum, Freeman HKD is continuing his tradition of consistent releases and powerful storytelling. He remains one of Zimbabwe's most reliable hitmakers, bridging the gap between raw Zimdancehall energy and sophisticated Afropop production. His journey is a powerful testament to the fact that hard work, authenticity, and a connection to the ghetto roots can lead to enduring success on the global stage. Tagwadama is simply the latest reminder that the Doctor is still in, and his prescription for great music continues to heal and uplift. Would you like to find out more about a specific song from the Notebook album, or perhaps his collaboration with a particular artist?